Waiting to go live. Oh, we are live. We are live. Let's go. Let's change that a bit. Good evening, everybody. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Hopefully the network will not give us issues today. We had a bit of network issues in South Africa. So yeah, man. Hopefully today we won't have any issues. Hopefully everything will go well. Right? It's waiting for people to come in, People are coming in. There we go. Good evening, everybody. Oh, wait a minute. What's going on? Okay. Welcome to yet another episode with myself, Isaac Izy. It's easy. Man, it's been a while since we've been together, so I am excited to be back doing a live trading session with you guys. So make sure that you are ready to look at some opportunities today. Make sure that your account is funded. Make sure that you are trading with Octa. It's going to be a massive session today. I cannot wait to be trading with you guys. I cannot wait to be teaching you guys today. So let's get on with the business of the day. Today I have something exciting for you guys, which is actually the first time that I'll be discussing it here on the free webinar. So I am excited about that. I cannot wait for you guys to hear this. A lot of people have been asking me about it to say, hey Isaac, how do we go about this? Wada. So yeah, man, let's get to it. Welcome everyone. I welcome you to today's session. If you are joining us for the first time, please do let me know where you guys are tuning in from. Do let me know which country you're tuning in from. Let me know which city you are tuning in from. Thirdly, let me know if you are a beginner, you're an advanced trader, all right? And if it is your first time, do let me know and say, Isaac Izy, it's my first time here, so I can give you a warm welcome. If it's not your first time, welcome back again. I'm glad to see you again, because if you are here, it means that what I teach you guys is valuable. So welcome. I see spaceship, welcome. We have Emmanuel, welcome. Say first Euro USD, relax, spaceship, relax. We just starting. We will get to the charts, but first and foremost, the most important thing is getting knowledge. All right. For those of you that are here and you do not have an Octa trading account, I just want to urge you to please click the link in the channel, or click the link in the Telegram channel to join to register your trading account with Octa. And at the end of the session, you will see I have a surprise for you and I will give it to you. All right, so make sure that you do have a registered account with Octa. All right, so let's go. Why is it not? Oh, there we go. Before we begin with today's session, I just want to give out a small disclaimer that any opinion, any news research, any prices analysis or any information discussed in this webinar or linked to this presentation is provided generally as a general market commentary and does not constitute as investment advice. If you do seek investment advice, I urge you to please speak to a regulated entity or a regulated key individual, and they'll be able to assist you with any financial or investment advice. Everything that we discuss here is just for general market commentary. I see we have Emmanuel all the way from Nigeria. I will call myself intermediate. That's beautiful. We have Spaceship second time. Beautiful. He's Ezekiel. Say hi everyone. It's my first time with you. Welcome. We have Lord Deco. Welcome guys. Again, if like I said, if it's your first time here, please click the link. It's just been sent there. You can join the Telegram channel there, where we send out free trading ideas, where we send out psychological tips, where we send so much more that has to do with Forex trading. So make sure that you do join that Telegram channel and let us trade together. Now that we've gotten the disclaimer out of the way, can we just can we just move on to the session of the day? And as I promised you, at the end of the session, I'm going to give you guys a promo code that you can use to get your 100% deposit bonus. After attending the lessons, you use the promo code for 100% bonus to double your deposit. That means if you fund with $5,000, you will get another $5,000 bonus. All right, and then I will share the promo code at the end of this session. All right, let's go. For those of you that are joining me for the first time, allow me the pleasure and the honor to announce myself, to introduce myself. My name is Isaac Izy. I'm originally from South Africa, and I'm a professional Forex trader, and I have over a decade of experience. Over the years, I have trained over 5,000 traders and have held over 300 Forex seminars throughout the Southern African region. And my passion is to teach and train individuals to become professional traders, to succeed financially, and to succeed holistically. That is what my passion is. That is what I'm called to do. So if you are here, my passion is to teach you and to train you to become a professional in trading, and also not that, but to also succeed financially. So that means I talk about psychology, I talk about your emotions, I talk about how to conduct yourself in all that you do. But for the purposes of today, we'll be sticking mainly to Forex trading. All right, I see we have, I'm a beginner from South Africa, Centurion Central. I've been trading for 3 weeks and I have beautiful losses and beautiful profits, still learning and growing. Welcome, Cinematic Mzansi. I'm happy to have you here, and hopefully by the end of today's session, you would have more beautiful profits. All right, and I just want to promise you guys, by the end of this session today, I want to promise you, you should be able to know, one, to understand the whole foundation of the market, how the market moves. Number two, and most importantly, you should be able to get good entries. All right, and number three, you should be able to create your own trading plan. I know a lot of people say a trading plan, but I'm going to give you guys a template today. I have a beautiful template that I have discovered that I believe it will help you. So stay tuned. We're actually going to start with it. Let's get right into it. So we're going to be discussing a trading plan. I'm going to give you guys what you should do. If you guys want, I can send you this beautiful template. All right, I can send you this beautiful template so you can use it for your own to create your own trading plan. Let's talk about it. Here it is. All right. Oh no, right here. All right, so money and risk management plan. All right, it's important that in everything that you do, all right, it's important that in everything that you do, you need to have a purpose. Why? If you do not know the purpose of something, you will abuse it. If you do not know why you are doing something, that thing will never mean anything to you and you will abuse it. And there is less chances of you succeeding if you, there are less chances of you succeeding if you, what am I doing now? Sorry. Oh, I switched the screens. Okay, not a problem, not a problem. All right, there are very less chances of you succeeding if you don't know the purpose for something. So today, before we even begin with putting out the trading plan, the most important thing that you need to outline is your purpose. What is your purpose? Why are you trading, or why do you want to trade? All right. If your answer is just I want to make money, that is a generic answer. You really need something that drives you. You need a driving force. I want to make money. Everybody wants to make money. Everybody that wakes up in the morning wants to make money. But it is not everybody that wakes up in the morning that gets to the money. And the difference between the two is others have a purpose of why they want to make money. Others don't. They just love the idea of making money. So the most important thing is you need to understand, and you need to outline, and you need to be definite and clear as to why you want to start trading, or why do you trade. I can ask you right now, what many of you, why do you want to trade? Why do you trade? Why do you want to trade? I whenever I ask traders this question, the answer is always, oh, I want to make money. Oh, I want to take care of my family. You need something deeper than that. You need to move away from the generic ideas of why you want to trade. You need a purpose. You need something that drives you even when you don't feel the work. Are you with me? All right. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. So why are you trading? That you can use this template to set up your what do you call your trading plan. Why do you want to trade? Number two is, what is your main driver? It's linked to the first one. What is your main driver? Out of the purpose, what is the one thing that drives you? All right. And number three is, what do you need the money for? I've been like I said, I've been teaching traders how to trade for the longest time. I've been teaching people about finances and all of that, how to be successful. All right. And I can tell you right now, the most successful people that I've got to witness their success and their transformation are people that understood the purpose of why they want the money. Majority of the people, and I could be wrong, but I'd say 80 to 90% of people that say they want money, they don't know why they need the money. They just love the idea of, I need money. So you need to be definite, and you need to be clear. Why should money come to you if you don't know what you want to do with it? Why should it come? All right, because you don't have a purpose for it. You just want it to come so you can misuse it. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to have a definite explanation of what you need the money for. All right. And number four is, do you want to this is very important, do you want to support your current income, or do you want to completely replace it? All right. This is a decision you need to make as you come into trading. One, do I need an extra income over and above what I'm currently earning, or do I need to completely replace? Because the answer will determine what type of a trader you are, how much you should put in the market, and all of this. The answer to this question will help you, will go a long way into deciding what type of a trader you are going to be. So do you want to support your current income, or do you want to completely replace it? All right, are you guys with me? All right, and then you can fill out, after that you can fill out this, I am trading because, and then you fill out the rest. This is the reason why I'm trading. I want to support, replace my income, and then you need to define, why do you want to replace your income? Why do you want to support? What is the main reason for that? Is it because of the high cost of living? Is it because of you want to live a luxurious life? It is because you just want to be. What is the reason for you to want to replace your current income? Are you guys still with me? I see I'm having a bit of a network lag here. Are you guys still with me? Can somebody confirm in the comment section if you can hear me, if you can see me? Hello? Can somebody confirm? Guys, can somebody confirm if you guys can hear me? You can see me? I'm having a bit of network lags here. Right. I'm not getting any response. Please, somebody confirm. All is good. Okay, great. I guess my network is the one that was delaying. All right. My apologies on that. So, as I was saying, you need to define, right? Why do I need to either to support my income, or why do I need to replace it completely? All right. Are you guys with me? All right. And number 2 on your template of the trading plan is your financial situation. A lot of traders come into trading because they saw some guy posting millions. They saw some guy driving nice cars, living a luxurious life, and they want to come into trading and emulate that life. Understand, our financial situations are different. You need to be realistic about where you are. You get what I'm saying? If you don't understand your financial situation, you will fall trap into many scams. The reason why a lot of people get scammed and fall victim to scams is because they don't understand. You see a guy posting millions every day and you believe that you can do that as well, that the guy will teach you in 5 days for you to do the same thing. No, it's not going to happen. Your financial muscle and that guy's financial muscle is not the same, and his way of trading will be different from your way of trading because of the cash flow that you guys have. You get what I'm saying? So you need to be realistic with what is your financial situation looking like. Number 1, you need to determine what are your LEs. Your LEs are your living expenses. So my monthly living expenses are X dollars. My monthly living expenses are $500, for instance. So that is what we call your need number. That is my need number. It means I need this. Come hell, come rain, come fire, I need this amount every single month with no question. That's what we call your need number. All right. You need to understand that. You need to determine that. Be definite, be accurate about it. All right. This is not a general number. You should know it. All right. Number 2, therefore, in order for you to survive, you need to make X dollars per month. All right. So in order for you to survive over and above your current income, how much do you need? How much do you need to make per month? Just for you to survive. Forget luxury for now. Forget luxury. Forget the millions. How much do you need for you to make a month? Right. And then how much do you need to make a quarter? How much do you need to make a year? All right. You write that down. That is definite. Number 2 is from your job, you currently earn this much, or from your business, you currently make this much on average per month. You write it down. This is called understanding your financial situation. You can never build from a foundation you yourself you don't know. All right, I'll say that again. You can never build from a foundation you yourself you don't know nor understand. All right, so you will end up making delusional decisions. Okay, so this is very important. All right, very, and this is, I believe this is the most important part of this is the foundational. All right, because you need to know where you are coming in from, so you don't fall into things that are outside of where you are coming from. All right, so if a certain trading robot requires you to have 10,000 and you don't have 10,000 in your account, you have no reason buying that. You have no reason so you can protect yourself from a whole lot of things. Even when you're buying signals or you're buying courses, you are able to now determine what type of a trader do I want to be. be looking at? Am I looking for a more short-term trader? Am I looking for a more long-term trader? So this will help you to do that. This will help guide your decisions in trading, especially when you're choosing a mentor. All right. And then lastly, under my financial situation is say, in order for you to support or to replace your current income, you need to earn this much per month. Are you with me? So you need to write this down for you to be able to replace or to support your current income. This is how much you need per month. All right. And let me speak on replacing. If you want to replace your current income, can I advise you, and this is just my personal opinion, and it's not a financial advice, okay? This is just based off experience, all right? Based off pain. Don't let my pain go to waste, okay? If you want to replace your current income, make sure that you are able to generate your current income for a period of not less than 12 months concurrently. Let's say, for instance, you are earning $1,000 from your salary, all right? If you want to leave your job, make sure that for 12 months you are able to make a minimum of $1,000 every single month without fail. If you make $5,000 this month and next month you make $300, don't quit don't replace your income as yet. Keyword as yet, until you can consistently make a certain amount of money, or the minimum that you are earning per month without fail, for a minimum of at least 12 months. I would say 24, but I don't want to push it. But if you've been alive long enough, you will know that life has a way of playing jokes on people. All right. Are you guys with me? All good? Are we all good? Does this make sense, guys? Do you guys have any questions pertaining to this? All right, let's move to my money plan. My money plan. All right, based again, now this comes to the practicality again. Please, guys, don't be delusional in trading. You need realistic and proven facts and information and data for you to be able to make right decisions. All right, so when it comes to your money plan, the most important thing is based off your back testing and your current performance. Do not make decision based off hope. All right, do not make your decisions based off the hope that if I do this, I'll be able to. You look at your back testing, you look at your live performance. How am I currently performing right now? All right, based off that, I can easily generate X% per month. I can easily generate 30% per month. I can easily generate 10% of my capital per month. All right, you need to write that down. All right. All right, so this is really good. I think my present situation now is money management. We'll get to that. We will get to that. All right. So based off your back testing, based off your live performance, write this thing down and say, okay, it looks like I can on minimum market, and this will help you guys. This will help you, and it will take away the stress from your trading. It will help you. I promise you, it will help you. It will take away all the stress. I promise you. Once you start applying this, majority of your stresses will be gone. All right, write that down. How much can you easily generate per month? All right, because that is going to help you for you to start planning for the future. To achieve my need number, remember your need number, the one we discussed at the beginning. For you to achieve your need number, you need to have this amount of money in your trading account. All right, you write that down. To replace your job or your business, you need to have this much amount of money as your capital based, in your trading account. So now we're going back to number one. I can easily generate 10%. Okay, if I can easily generate 10% and my monthly or my need number is $500 a month, it means I need to have $5,000 in my trading account for me to be able to get to my need number. if based off my back tasting and my life proof, it means for me to be able to get to my need number, I need this much trading account. You see where I'm going with it? And then number two, if you want to replace your income, how much are you earning? If again I'm able to generate 10% a month and I'm currently earning $1,000, it means in my trading account I need to have $10,000. Does that make sense? You see how it guides you to make the right decision. So you can't say you are able to make 10% a month. You easily generate 10% a month and then your need number is $500 and you're saying you're going to fund 500. No, that means you need to be able to make 500 for you to be able to survive. Do you see that? So now you can your decisions can be guided by structure. You need structure. You need a system and you need a structure that guides you. All right. And then we go to say, in order for me to achieve my targeted returns and account size, my current highest priority actions are to, all right. Now we come into your priorities. Based off the information that you have decided that you need this much for you to be able to serve, what are the things that you need to prioritize for you to get there? You see how this thing leads you. You're not living haphazardly. You're not just going from left to top to you are guided. You have a guide, all right? You have a GPS in trading. You have a GPS in trading, all right? So you focus on the processes, the specific actions, the mindsets you need to develop, the habits you need to develop, and the routines. So these are your CHPAs, all right? I call them the CHPAs. This is your current highest priority actions. What do I need to do for me to get to where I need to go, all right? So you write that down. Okay. So now we're going to risk parameters. Oh boy. Are you guys still with me? I see my network is giving issues again. Are you guys still with me? Are you still with me? Are you still with me? I see my network was giving issues. Oh, guys, please talk to me. Please talk to me. I'm worried that I've been talking. Did you guys lose me at any moment? I see my network went on and off. Did you guys lose me at any moment? Talk to me, guys. All good here. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It means the network, the issues on my side. Okay, great. All right, so now we go into risk parameters, all right? Risk parameters. Now you've determined why you want to trade. You've determined how much you need. So now we go into the risk. You want to safeguard yourself. Let me tell you, you need to safeguard yourself. Your number one priority as a trader, as I always say, is not to make money. Your number one priority as a trader is to preserve your capital. All right. Your number one job as a trader is to preserve your capital. All right. So now we get to risk parameters. All right. This you can play around with the numbers. All right. Number one is I will be risking this much percentage per trade. You're going to determine that based off the answers that you've already put in and based off your performance. You know your risk to reward ratio, guys. And I know a lot of my colleagues in the industry, you know, they're always recommending doing a trade of 1:13, you know, a ratio of 1, risk to reward ratio of 1:10, 1:5. Let me tell you, if you want to enjoy trading, go as little as 1:2 or 1:3. All right. Let me tell you why. A lot of people don't enjoy trading because they set their targets unrealistically so that even when they are progressing, they do not see their progress. All right, you find that you had profitable trades. If you had a risk reward ratio of 1:3, you could take profit every single day. But because you want to reach a target of 1:10, when you get to 7, the market retraces, it kicks you out, and then your confidence in trading gets crushed. All right, start small. Start with 1:2. Start with 1:3. I personally, 10 years in the business, 10 years in this business, my risk to reward ratio is 1:3. 1:3. That's as far as I go. All right, so you can also do that. Start there, but then again, each to their own, right? Depending on your current situation. All right, so my max loss per day is so much percentage. You write that down. That is, so many trades, that is 5 losing trades in a row. You write that down. You determine that based off your back testing and your live performance. All right, number 3, my max loss per week is, this is how much I will willing to lose per week. This is the percentage. Could be 10%, could be 5%, again, depending on your own trading strategy. All right. So, and then we say number 4, if my balance falls below this percentage, I will reduce my risk to so much per trade. All right, if you get to you need to have a threshold and say, if I go below this threshold, then my risk needs to change. All right, I will trade with the reduced risk only if I'm below my drawdown threshold. Are you guys with me? All right, if my balance increases above so much percentage, I will increase my risk too. Again, growth is needed. As you grow, as your capital grows, your risk also needs to grow so you can see improvement. All right, so you write that down. If I get to 50% growth on my account, I will add 2 more percent on my risk, or I'll add 3 more percent on my risk. I will trade with the increased risk until, as long as I am in so much profits. You write that down. All right, and then now you get to the targets. I target so much per week. I'd love to achieve so much per month. My current win rate is this much percentage, and I'm going to, when I get time on another session, I'm going to show you guys the importance of win rate. There is a template, nice, beautifully done template like this one, where it shows you the different win rates and where you can fall in as a trader. It's beautiful. It's amazing. If you are in the Telegram channel, I believe I will first show you guys how it works, then I will send it to you guys. But then again, I can send you guys this one after we are done with today's session. I see Emmanuel saying, yes sir, but every time the market will run to my initial TP, probably 1:7. When I take a trade, even getting 1:2, I always let it run, then the market turns and straight to my SL. Exactly my point, Emmanuel. Exactly my point. You see, if you had gotten to 1:2, all right, if you had said 1:2, you'll be hitting take profits, back to back take profit, and that will boost your confidence. There is nothing, that boosts your confidence in trading when the market automatically closes in profit. You can close profits manually and the same amount closes when it hits take profit. When it hits that take profit, oh my god, it's magic. It's like it's a blessing. Even if it's the same amount, there is something that it does to you emotionally and psychologically. So I say keep setting those lower targets, and as you grow and as your confidence increases, you can now start increasing the risk to reward ratio. Are you guys with me? All right, let's get going. Now, yes, the link for the Telegram channel is there. The end of this session, I will be sending you guys that in the Telegram channel, so make sure that you join the Telegram channel. And I just want to say to you guys that are here, remember, trading is a business of probabilities and not certainties. You are never certain of what is going to happen in the market. It's just strictly speculation. So if you are never sure of anything, you always want to be as closer to a win than far. All right. So the more you win, the better for you. The more your win rate, the better for you. I feel extremely free the moment I am winning. You get what I'm saying? There is something it does to you, man. There is something it does to you. And I want you guys to be able to feel that feeling every single day of your life. I want you to feel that. Then you will know how amazing and this beautiful business of ours is. It's really amazing. Once you start hitting those back-to-back TPs, you'll feel like a king, man. You feel like you'll see even your walk will start changing. You'll start walking like a king. All right. You'll start enjoying life. All right, let's move on. Let's get back to business. All right, so after you've like I said, I'll come and teach you guys. I'll show you guys how that win rate template is. It's amazing. Trust me, man. It's beautiful. I will send it to you guys as soon as we get to it. All right, so you can understand how it works and how it can improve your trading. Now we're going to timing and pairs. You see how this whole thing from the beginning, it guides you on how to become a better and more structured trader. All right, it's not always about the candlesticks and the analysis, the imbalances, the order blocks. No. You can simplify your trading. Trading itself is not simple, but you can simplify your efforts to get to better results. All right, and this is the purpose of this thing. All right, so timing and pairs. Now you say my trading windows are, so it means you now set a time. I can trade from this to that time or whatever sessions, or end from this to that. All right, my trading pairs are, you write down all the trading pairs. Like for instance, if you're trading the Euro USD, the gold, you're trading USD Japanese yen, you're trading NASDAQ, you're trading US 30, you write everything down. All right, you write everything down. All good. And then you now make an agreement with yourself. You make what? An agreement with yourself. You make a covenant with yourself that you are not going to break. You make a commitment to yourself. So when you fail, you have nobody else to blame but yourself. And when you succeed, you have nobody else to celebrate but yourself, because you have made this commitment to yourself. All right. So at the bottom I wrote, I commit to following this plan strictly. It is my full responsibility to manage my risk and execute on my trading system flawlessly without being influenced by emotions. You commit. I promise you. Go and try this and come back after 3 months of consistent application and tell me if your trading life hasn't changed. All right. Tell me if your trading life hasn't changed. All right. Do you guys have any questions pertaining to the trading plan? Oh no, my network went again. Am I still audible? Am I still visible? Before we continue, do you guys have any questions? I'm gonna open platform now for questions. Do you guys have any questions? Any questions? Guys, talk to me. I'm so sorry, guys. Apparently, cable issues in South Africa, so I always have to make sure, because our network, our internet goes on and off. So I always need to make sure that I'm with you guys, are with me, and you didn't lose me. So please do confirm if I'm still audible. Please confirm if you can still see me. Moderator, all good? All good. Emmanuel, you seem to be the one that is you seem to be the one that engages a lot. So for that reason, I'm going to give you access to my VIP signals for 3 months. Access to my VIP signals for 3 months. Access to premium flexi forex signals. Emmanuel, make sure that you in the Telegram channel, text me. All right, text me in the Telegram channel, and I will give you access to our premium paid VIP signals for 3 months. So the month of March, April, and May. All right, all good. That's just to thank you. That's just to thank you for your it's to thank you for your participation and your engagement. All right, do you guys have any questions? All right, so I was going to discuss price cycle, but I see we are a bit out of time. So let's just quickly go to the charts and see if we can get any opportunities. Let's quickly go to the charts and see if we can get any opportunities today. I was looking at NASDAQ. We're looking at a NASDAQ sell earlier on. It kicked us out. Okay, it left us already. We will look for we're looking for a sell. Looks like it left us already. We will look for another opportunity. It's not a problem. As you can see, we have our, what do you call, we have our key level over there. Does any of you know the key levels? Why I have key levels 18150 there? We had our key level over there, and if you go on a bigger time frame, you will see why that key level is important to us. All right, as you can see here, the market tried to break this area over there. There was a bit of manipulation. It came back down, came back to this area, failed to break it. There was a bit of manipulation over there. Eventually the market came to play to the downside again, and it's been playing below that price for a while right now. So what happens now is we see, once the market left this price over here, we needed to rebalance price action around this area over there, and that was a good sniper entry. All right, that was a good sniper entry, and then the market fell, but unfortunately it left us. At what time did we get to that price over there? At 16, that was around 1630. That was around 1630. All right, so but it's fine, it did leave us. So what we need to do now is we need to look for market structure. All right, for the market to tell us that it's going to continue falling, we need to see characteristics of a downtrend and start looking for more buying selling opportunities. I'd say at key level, we may want to look at key level 18100. All right, 18100. Let me write that down. I see someone asking me what key levels are. I think maybe with the last 15 minutes, I'll do an explanation of what key levels are. All right, so we may want to look at you see again this price over here. Once it was broken, it was tested. So we need to see market coming back again, playing around this area before falling down again. So we can look at our sell entries at this key level, but also again with confluence with other confluence with other candlestick patterns, we need to see something happening at this area over there, confirming a reversal to the downside. All right, or alternatively, if the market then now breaks this level to the upside, retested, we need to go to 18200. We need to go to 18200, and I'll show you why. We need to go to the price 18200. Look at that. As you can see, market manipulated here. It left that price over there, never came back to test that area over there again. But that's if we now break the 100 and then test it, and then we will definitely go to 18200. All right. Meaning of key levels. All right. HOC Fashions, I just got stumbled on this live session right now. Oh, all right. No, you are welcome, man. You are welcome. Glad to have you here. And it means if you stayed, it means you are getting value. So I am excited about that. Hopefully I'll be seeing you in the next one. Make sure that you join the Telegram channel. On Thursday, I'll be hosting another session where we'll be doing more of live trading and live analysis. All right. For this moment, let me just take the time to explain for those of you that are coming for the first time what key levels are. All right. So I want you to think of it this way. We call Forex the Forex market, right? Now the Forex market is, or rather the market is where buyers and sellers meet. A market, any market, is a place where buyers and sellers meet. And one of the most common denominators, or one of the most common things between buyers and sellers, is the price. All right, the selling price or the buying price. This is important to both the buyer, to both the buyer and the seller. The seller wants to know how much am I selling this service or this commodity for, and the buyer wants to know how much am I buying this commodity for. Once we understand that price is important, we're now coming back to the market. In the market, we also have what we call price on this side. On the right hand side of your screen, you have price. This is the price of how much this particular instrument is selling or buying at the current moment. All right, we understand that. Number three, we have what we call the round number buyers. The round number buyers, and this is the key levels. The round number buyers. What is the round number buyers? This is a psychological thing that buyers, not even buyers, people generally round off numbers. They round off to the nearest 100, they round off to the nearest 50, or they round off to the nearest 1,000, or they round off to the nearest 10. All right, the nearest 10, the nearest 50, nearest 100, or the nearest 1,000. People generally do that. So if you go into the market, all right, I was there in 2022. I cannot forget that session, you, ebook and happiness. It really helped my trading skills. Thank God. Look at that. That is beautiful, man. I'm glad it really did help you. And I cannot wait to host another trading marathon with those experts. They were really brilliant, man. I learned quite a lot. All right, let's go back to this, right? So we understand that people generally round off numbers. They round off to the nearest 10, the nearest 100, the nearest 1,000. All right, with that understanding that price is important, that in the market there is price as well, and number three, understanding that people round off. So we now understand again that are buyers and sellers in the market. So when it comes to the market, we need to look at price. All right, if I am a buyer in the market, or if I am a seller of the NASDAQ composite, or if I am the buyer or seller of gold, how much am I buying for, or how much am I selling for? Do you think I'd want to look at numbers like 180,439.7? No, I am going to round off to the nearest 10, the nearest 100, the nearest 1,000. All right, now I want you to look at this, and with that understanding, understand that the market usually reverses near or at a round number. What is a round number? Now let's look at that. 18,200 is a round number. We have double zeros. We have 18,150 is the nearest 50. We have 18,100 is the nearest 100. We have 18,000. Let's look at 18,000. All right, 18,000. We have 18,000 over there. Look at that. Oh no. 18,000. Look at that. Look at what the market was doing at that price. Just look at that. Do you guys see that? Look at that. Now let's go 18,300. Look at that. What is the market doing? There is a reaction whenever the market gets to that price. Let's go to 18,400. So I use these prices. Look at that. a nice reversal pattern right at that key level over there. I would have taken my sell over there. So I always enter my trades on these key levels, on these prices. I enter and I exit my trades on these key levels. Look at that, 17,900. 17,950, 18,000. Even if you go back into history, wherever the market reaches these prices, there is usually a reaction. You can even just go to that and then I'll show you what is the key level. 17,800. 17,800. Let's go. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at just the market reacting off where I have placed this number. So that's what we call key levels. So you always want to enter your trades at these numbers. All right. You want to enter your trades, you want to exit your trades on these numbers. Now let me give you another secret. It's important to know that once market breaks a major key level, it will go to another one. Like if it breaks 18,000, it needs to go to 100. All right. And as we can see there, the market broke and then it came to 18,100 before it turned again. You guys see that? And then it broke 18,100, it went to 18,200. All right, from 18,200 we went to 18,300. Do you guys see that? From 18,300 we there was a bit of again, you guys understand the concept of manipulation. There was manipulation, and what did price do? If this what we're gonna call what do you call what is this, a consolidation phase? There was a consolidation over here, and there was exhaustion from the buyers. The market broke down to the downside, came back and tested that area over there again, 18,300, and then we fell to the downside. Once we broke 18,200, we went to 18,100. From 18,100 we went to 18,000, 18,000, 17,900, 17,900, 17,800. Do you guys see that? And then again there was a reversal over there, an engulfing. Market broke 17,900, we went to 18,000. From 18,000, 18,100. You see how history keeps repeating itself. All right. Do you guys have any questions? Do you guys have any questions? I believe today's session was very impactful. I believe it was beautiful. I believe you guys learned quite a lot, and hopefully great analysis as usual. Thank you so much. I hope you guys learned quite a lot, especially with the trading plan. That was my emphasis of the day. Once you have that structure, I don't want to say I guarantee you, but I promise you, once you have that on lock, your trading will never be the same again. You will enjoy this business, all right? And as I promised you guys, at the end of this session, I'm going to give you guys a promo code. Here it is. The promo code is Isaac Izy, and you can use that to double up your deposit. All you have to do is open your Octa trading app or visit the website, go to your profile and find the promo code section in the menu, enter the promo code and press activate. Make a deposit and enjoy your bonus. All right. That's it from me, guys. Hope you guys had a great session today. Do let me know of your comment in the or your review or your feedback of today's session. What could I have done better, or what is it that you enjoyed about today's session? So make sure that you give me your comment section in there, and hopefully maybe one of you, like Emmanuel, will get access to VIP signals, will get access to my premium signals. So I'll choose the best review here, and then I will give you, whoever it is, I will give you the what you call the, and by best I don't mean lie to me, I mean the one that is constructive, that is true, that is authentic. That's what I mean by best. Don't just say it was a great session because you want to win you want to win signals. No, give me an authentic, insightful review, and then I'll be glad to give you those signals. All right, so that's it from me, guys. If you guys have any questions, we have 3 minutes. If you have any questions, you have 3 minutes. First I see full session, very amazing, thank you. Yes, I will drop the file in the Telegram channel. The file for the trading plan, I'll drop it to the in the Telegram channel, and then you can edit it however you desire. All right, guys, I see there is no questions. So that's it from me, guys. You guys have a beautiful one. I will see you guys on Thursday in the Telegram channel. I'm not on the Telegram channel. The link is here in the comment section. That psychological market price that the market always reacts to, I'm inspired to check out the other commodities like Forex pairs. It will be interesting if it plays out. Any give me a pair with this 1 minute that we're left with. Give me a pair real quick. Give me a pair. You can check literally any pair. Any pair. Any pair. Let me just drag any random pair here. Let's go GPB JPY. GPB JPY. Let's go on a 4-hour time frame. Let's just zoom out, and then I'm gonna show you something. All right. GBP USD does work. I've done it many a times. Let's look at GBP JPY. All right. I'm just going to just randomly pick a top and I'll show you. Look at that. 191,300. Look at that. 191,300. Let's look at that top, that bottom there. Look at that. Let's do 188,000. Let's look at that. Look at that. Let's go back into history so you don't say I planned this. Let's go back anyway in history. Let's look at that. See, this is even one that I'd done a long time ago. Let's look at that. 151,100. Look at that. On gold, let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. On gold, there's already some that are already set. Look at that, 2015. Do you tell us to place trades on these lives? Yes, we do analyze sometimes if there is an opportunity. We do give you a trade. If not, most trading signals are sent in the Telegram channel. All right. Let's look at that. Let's look at that turning point over there. $2033. I mean 2033.00. Look at that. 00. So look at that top over there. 2035. Look at that. You guys see that? Literally any pair. Literally any pair. Any pair. Any. The market will always reverse at these key levels. 58,800. Look at that. Look at that. The link to the Telegram channel is there. Go in the Telegram channel and you'll see for yourself the winning ratio, the success ratio of our signals. All right, guys, we're already over time. That's it from me, guys. I hope you guys really did enjoy. Let's see each other on Thursday. Let's see each other on Thursday. Hopefully on Thursday we will get an opportunity and we can take it from there. That's it, guys. Have a beautiful evening. Remember, I love you guys so much. Jesus loves you. Give yourself profitable trading week. Let it be all blues and no